I want to show you a lifetime deal that can generate the alt text via AI, and it's done automatically. Now, the idea behind this is actually pretty genius, but is it actually good? We're going to test that on this video together, and we're going to see the good and the bad part about it. Now, before I get started, I want to tell you what alt text is. When we upload images on a website, Google needs to know what the hell is the image about. That's where the alt text comes into play, along with the description and other things. But this is going to be generated via AI, and it's going to understand what the image is about and generate the alt text. Now, alternatives would be SEO plugins that generate alt text. Now, these SEO plugins generate the alt text based on the text and the title, not based on what the actual image is about. It's winking it there, trying to generate it. This is a better idea if it works correctly. Let's go check out the deal, and I'll text how it works. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Click on Add New Plugins. Search here for AI Image Alt Text Generator for WP. Install and activate the plugin. Now go to iAlt Text Generator. You'll notice that your plan credit is at 0. To proceed, we'll need an API key. Let's explore how to get a free key. Click Get Started for free. Fill out the sign-up form completely. Then click on Create Account. You'll receive a verification link in your email inbox. Go to Email. Open Mail and click on Activate Account. Here you can see your API key. Click here to copy your API key. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Go to AI Alt Text Generator Settings. Then paste your API key here. Click on the Save button. Now click on iAlt Text Generator. See, now you have 40 free credits available. Now we'll explore how to generate alt text for all images in bulk. You'll see the total number of images on your WordPress site and how many of them are currently missing alt text. Go to Bulk Image Alt Text Generator. Click on Generate Alt Text. All your image alt text will be generated in just a few seconds. Another important thing to note is that if you have many images, you can generate them in bulk. You can continue with other tasks or even shut down your device, and the process will automatically continue without wasting your time. Let's check if the bulk processing has been generated or not. See the alt text generated for all images. Let's introduce some more features available in the Settings section. Go to AI Alt Text Generator. Click on Settings. In the alt text language section, you can set multiple languages for the alt text. In addition, there are options to set the image title, image caption, and image description. When this option is enabled, the title, description, and caption of any image, along with the alt text, will be automatically generated. If you want to add keywords like your brand name to each image, you can use this option. And if you want to add a keyword at the beginning, enter it in the prefix section. Let me right here. Let's take a look at how it works. Upon clicking on Create Alt Text, BOOMDEVS was also written on the first due to the prefix BOOMDEVS I gave in the prefix field. Then, Automatic Alt Text Generation. When this option is enabled, the alt text for any image uploaded to WordPress will be automatically generated. Then the types of images for automatic alt text generation. From this section, you can select the types of images like JPG, PNG, and WebP that will have alt text automatically generated after uploading. In this way, you can easily add SEO-friendly alt text to your website. Install our plugin today and take advantage of the free offer. Add SEO-friendly alt text and save your time.